I think Fire's literally came out that week. Oh, this is not 2017. Guys, that car is loud. There we go. These Camaros, guys. So many nice cars here. Okay. Bumblebee. Just in case if I can get one. ZL1. Okay, then we'll go down back this way. Charger RT, this is Charger RT. Fast and Furious. Dang this. I've never seen one of these. Someone's having problems over there. Get a picture of this bike. What is that? Oh, here's an MX-5. This is a Miata. Dad! Dad. Challenger. Dad, this Audi right here was at that car meet in Albuquerque.
Thing is slammed on.
Yeah.
That's the car I was telling you to look at earlier.
Oh, this one? Oh. This thing really is slammed. Oh.
No.
Another Audi.
Get the trash can.
3. Custom headlights.
I'll just dump this out.
What is this right here? Oh, ooh, drag car. Okay. This. It's nice, beautiful. Guys, calm down, you guys.
It's a nice mirror.
Yeah. People are gonna get the police to come. And then they're gonna shut this down. Scott. Name is Emerling's video. Got hit by a car, but I'm okay. Okay, I'm not. Okay, let's head back that way so I can see the ones that were down there. No, I didn't get to see the ones that went down there, like down there. This is an IROC Z. An IROC Z. Tell me if I pronounced that right. I think I did. Saw this at the drag races once. This thing's fast.
I'd be 16, but I wanted these two.
Got big old tires. Dad? I lost my dad. Oh, there's a cop right there. There's a cop right there. Nobody. Dad, the cops are. There's a cop literally right over there. Okay. There's
looking for us?
Yes. There's literally a cop right there. A cop literally just passed by right there. He did not care. No, don't. Okay. People do not get it.
That's a bad idea.
If they literally want to haul, then okay, they can get pulled over. Lots of these cars are really cool. I'm just gonna get a picture of that truck. I don't know. What is this? That an 86 GT86. Guys, calm down. Okay, I'm gonna get a picture of the interior. Can't. They have Instagram or something like that. Oh, jeez. Flash on. This big wing, guys. Toyota GT. Someone just hit my head on that wing. Dad, I almost just hit my head on the wing. And this one. Oh, yes. No, I was gonna get a picture of it while they were green. Wait, Dad, I'm gonna wait for it to turn green. Yes, this is cool. This is really cool.
He's
Today,
controlling it? Oh no, this guy's controlling with his phone, I think.
earlier today, look at this. Earlier today, guys, we saw a Mustang GT500 Super Snake. We saw lots of cars. Lots of cars. I can't believe there's literally a Nissan GTR here. What the heck?
For a second, that looked like it.
Guys, this looks like my dad's car right now.
Does it look
They
like
stole-
my dad?
Holy moly! That startup scared me. Okay, I didn't get that on video, but this startup scared me. This is a great Jeep Trailhawk. This is loud for a Jeep. Oh. Have you guys ever heard of cars? Oh, this is an now people are yelling, great. What is this? 135i. Dude, that Jeep Trailhawk is loud. Oh! Did not sound good. I literally almost just got hit. Again. I almost keep on getting hit. Okay. Walking off real quick. Oh my gosh. These cars are loud. You guys might be like, what do you expect from a loud car? The car's just nice exhaust. I know that. Guys, this is a Civic. No exhaust. Can't find the exhaust. Guys, there's so many loud cars here. Guys, this thing is just... This is a Jeep Trailhawk right here, guys. Jeep Trailhawk. Jeez. Yeah, this is the Trailhawk, right?
Trackhawk.
Trackhawk. This thing's loud. Like, I didn't expect that for a Jeep. What is that? Hashtag. That's a BRZ. Rocket Bunny BRZ. Dad, I just want to see that Rocket Bunny BRZ real quick. I've been wanting to see a Rocket Bunny all day. Like dying to see a Rocket Bunny. Uh-oh. Holy. What the fuck? See what this guy's saying? Oh my gosh. No, don't. Okay, we better leave before the cops come.
I was gonna say my ears hurt.
Oh! I think I busted another eardrum. Dad, I think I busted another eardrum.
No, I think you're okay.
I'm joking. Okay? This is the end of the video right here. That was so cool. Oh! Wait, gotta get these guys rolling in. Last shot. I'm rolling out. Oh, did you hear that, Mom? That was a Jeep. Jeep Trackhawk. They did launch control, I think. It must have been launch control.
See that beamer? That looks like mine.
Yeah.
I thought it
Chantel
was...
did a double take. She's like, wait, what?
What? Okay, end the video right here. Bye.